Hello everyone, we will try to understand how to write an essay for students. For example, if you get any projects and you want to write an essay or a project, you can use try the ChatGPT and write articles with it. So in this video we'll learn how to write an article or an essay with the topics. So before we begin, go to open your browser and open ChatGPT, register with your mobile number and email ID, and then select try ChatGPT. So once you click on that, it will open up a new tab. It's a new chat window. So in this chat window, I will type, like, you can provide any commands, and if you don't know any commands, you can ask ChatGPT to give some examples. It will provide you the same. So in this video, we'll try to write an article on global warming. So right now I will ask the ChatGPT to write an essay. I will ask the ChatGPT to write an essay on global warming, and then I will click on enter, or you can click on the send button. So once you give the command to the ChatGPT, it will start writing an essay. So I have sent it, and the command, it is processing right now, and it will take few minutes to write an essay on the topic that you have provided. So basically there are chances that the other person may come and he can give the same like the command, and there are chances that it can provide the same content again and again. So you can use various websites to rewrite your articles so that it is plagiarism free. So this is the website. It is an article spinner. You can just go and paste the content created by ChatGPT, and you can convert it into or in other words, it will rewrite your articles. So you can see that there are already points given. So I had asked for 5 ideas. You can ask for more ideas as well. So this is typing out the 5th point. So there is no limit on the ideas that you want to ask. So once this is done, I have a 5-point idea because I asked for 5. So I have 5 ideas right now. So let's see, I can type again saying that to write an article on point 4. So let me try to ask to write an article on point 4. So you can ask for any points like 1, 2, 3, 4. So currently I'm asking for the point 4. I'm asking ChatGPT to write an essay again on a point 4. So it is writing essay on point 4 now. So that means that the ChatGPT already remembers the previous conversation that you have. So basically it's now, you can see the energy efficiency part, it's the 4th point. So it's writing a new article based on that 4th point particularly. So you can ask for any of the points and it will write the same. So let's wait it out so that it can type out completely. Alright, we have the article that has been written for the point 4. So now I will try to add again a different command. I will write a paragraph of each point, include heading, because that's what essays will have. So it's sectioned as an essay. So these are the comments that you need to provide so that you can get some unique contents from the ChatGPT. So these are the few of the techniques. So right now I'm asking the ChatGPT to write a paragraph like an essay, like a normal essay which has headings on it. So I'm asking the ChatGPT to provide the headings for that 4th point. So you can see it gave introduction, building code. So it is making a heading and providing more information on those particular headings. So by this you can make your essay a lot bigger, as well as can get a lot of unique content. So instead of typing just a common words and getting an article. So let's wait. It will take few minutes to complete all the articles or the writing part. So now this is done. So I can still add a filter, or I can still say that turn this into an essay. So what now it does is that it will summarize it again. So you can use this technique to create unique contents from ChatGPT so that you won't get a plagiarism kind of an issue. So this is how you write an articles for using the ChatGPT. So it's pretty much easy for all the students to write now essay or any projects on based on the topics. The ChatGPT just gives you all the data, so there is no work actually required. So let's wait it out. So this is how you actually write an essay based on the topic. So it's done. So you can see that like I asked them to write an article on global warming, then I asked him to write asked ChatGPT to write on point 4, then I asked it to write into an essay, and then it gave the headings, and then again I asked to summarize. So basically I'm getting a more unique content. So this is how you can use few of the techniques to write a particular unique essay for each of your article or topics that you use. So if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.